Hi folks, Jamie Kirk here from Willerby. Hope yous are all well. I'm going to do you a little walkthrough of our brand new Malton special model. This comes in two sizes, a 35-12-2, and the size that I'm about to show you is the 37-12-3. Take a look at this. So this comes in our value range. Freestanding furniture, which you don't normally get in our value range. This is fitted with the optional double sliding patio doors. If you don't want the double sliding patio doors, that is the front of it there, folks. But what a wee cracker. Pull out bed in there, footstool standard, and freestanding fridge freezer standard, cooker hood standard. So popular options is integrated microwave, ask your dealer, distributor or park for more information. But as you come in here, look at the lino right the way through for easy cleaning for the kids, for a dog, anything like that. Really, really nice. Even the cupboards just flow really, really well, and plenty of space round the table there, folks. Moving through into the first of the bathrooms. So you've got the toilet, sink and shower. Also, when you've got a 3-bed like this, you've got a separate extra toilet, hand basin. First of the twins. Little wardrobe there, folks. And then you've got the double. And then the last twin, but still loads of space there. Like I said, you're looking at the Malton special model, and if it's the 35 you want to go for, which is the 2-bed, that is the layout. I hope you've enjoyed my little walkthrough.